Hey, what's up everybody? This is Gary Wenaina ndani ya Mkenya Marekani. Today we are going to be doing a house tour here in the US. I'm telling you, one of the things you have to see is you have to see this sign here. This sign says house open, okay? So we're going to be showing you around, but continue. If you're new here, please make sure you subscribe and click that bell so that anytime we bring any new content, you'll be notified there. Ndani ya Mkenya Marekani, we tell you how life is here in the US and how you can come here in the US. So don't go anywhere. Let's do this, okay? Yeah, let's go. Hey, what's up everybody? This is Gary Wenaina ndani ya Mkenya Marekani. Today we are going to be doing a house tour here in the US. I'm telling you, one of the things you have to see is you have to see this sign here. This sign says house open, okay? So we're going to be showing you around, but continue. If you're new here, please make sure you subscribe and click that bell so that anytime we bring any new content, you'll be notified there. Ndani ya Mkenya Marekani, we tell you how life is here in the US and how you can come here in the US. So don't go anywhere. Let's do this, okay? Yeah, let's go. I'm going with this big truck. You know this big truck? That's what is carrying me to that house, okay? Let's go. Let's do this. Hi guys, now we are here. We're gonna do a house tour of this house, this beautiful house. By the way, it's made out of wood, yeah? You know, back home houses are not made out of wood, but as you see, you can't even tell it's wood, you know? It's so beautiful, right? Let me just try and zoom it out. Yeah, that's the house we'll be touring. Yeah, this is a normal American house in the neighborhood. So we're gonna see how it is inside, okay? So come walk with me, okay? Let's do this. Yeah, once you get here in the house, you have to put these socks like the way I'm doing, okay? So that's how you go. Yeah, I believe so what room is this?
This would be the entrance hall.
Yeah.
We would call that the library.
Oh, this is library.
And then this is a great room, which is a combination of a living room, a kitchen, and a dining area.
Mm-hmm. So
it'd be kind of an open concept,
yeah,
is what we call it here.
Mm-hmm.
By the way, we live in exactly the same model on the exact same flip.
Oh, okay, all right.
Yeah.
Is it the same white color and?
No.
Oh, okay.
No. Different, very.
Ah. So these are the bathrooms over here, like this. Very nice and neat. Huh? Then here it's the garage. That's the garage. Then the water heater is over here. If you wanna hit the garage door, you just do this. Then there you go. Yeah? See how it happens? So most of the time people have keys in their car. You just switch that and then you can just switch it again down. Oh. Yep. That's how it goes. You can't even tell it's wood, yeah? If somebody ever told you this is a wood house, you will not tell. So let's do more of that. This is the upstairs. Yeah. Oh, it's so warm inside here. Yep. So I believe this is just like a TV room. And then we have another bathroom over here. This is like the upstairs bathroom. Very nice, very clean. And then we have like another bedroom over here, a small bedroom here. This is the closet. We have a closet over here. Then we have another bedroom over here. It's all different colors. Maybe this is a kid's bedroom. So, and we have blinds. We don't have. You can put option of a curtain over here, or you can decide to just leave the blinds on. Then we have a small room over here. This is also maybe for shoes or anything of that sort. Yeah, another bedroom. This is actually a 5-bedroom house. This is a bigger bedroom. A bigger bedroom, as you can see. Yeah. So this is laundry room. In America, we don't wash our clothes. We have a laundry place. This is a laundry room where you put all your stuff and get washed. I believe this is a place where you wash and then you can dry over here. Okay. Yeah, very nice, very nice. Yeah. This is a wooden house. Yeah. This is more room for more stuff, closet, shoes, whatever, whatnot. Then the master bedroom is here. This is the master bedroom, yeah. Ukiwa na mpenzi wako hapa ndio mnatulia, burudani mnapiga. That's there. Outside we have like a see, look at the outside. Yeah, a small shamba over there. I'm gonna get down there so you can see properly. So the difference between a master and suite is that it has a very, very big and spacious bathroom. Look at that bedroom. I mean, that's a shower place, you know. The toilet is over here. Yeah, very big. And then this is like, can you imagine this is a closet? Yeah? A whole room is a closet. Yeah? A whole room. Si ni bedroom moja pale nini? Hii ni nyumba ya mtu pale Ngara. Yeah? This is, imagine, a closet. A closet, like a whole house. You can put your bed over there. This is a closet, a very, very, very huge closet, you know. Wow. Amazing. So, yeah, that's the house tour, you know. Look at that decoration over there. Very neat. So guys, if you like this content, remember to subscribe and click that bell. So anytime we upload a new content, you'll be notified. Look at outside. Yeah, well kept. This is what we call neighborhood here in the US. Neighborhood houses. Yeah, so there's a difference between a living room and a TV room. So this is the TV room. You place your TV over there. Yeah. Guys, hope you guys are enjoying, man. It's cold. It's kind of cold. You see the jacket I'm in? It's cold, eh? Yeah. Let's see. You see? That's the downstairs. This house is has an upstairs. And by the way, if you're inside, you can't even tell. It's wooden house. Do you see Can you tell if it's a wooden house? It's like wood. Yeah. All this. It's wood. Wood. Yeah, that's the truck we came in. Can you see that truck? Yep, that's the truck I came in. It's a big truck. Yeah. Yep. But I like this camera. The zooming capability is quite perfect. So this is the outside, as you can see. Yeah, it's well kept. Then that's what you put your trash and your recycle. So this recycle, I showed you sometime that recycle. Oh, sorry, I can't walk with my shoes. You know, those shoes are not supposed to get dirty, so I can't walk there. So that's where you put all your recycle and the trash. So it's picked maybe once in 2 weeks, I believe so. And but you pay for it. You pay for it. So yeah, you can have your little farm over there. Have your mboga, kitunguu, and all that stuff. Okay. Yep.
Huh?
Liz.
Oh.
Said she'd be moving, but I didn't know exactly when.
Yeah.
I just got back from my trip.
Oh. Where did you go?
10,000 miles. We went on the ship, went down to California, then Mexico, then Panama, then Aruba, then Bahamas,
Wow.
then flew to California, drove up here.
Wow.
Long trip.
Yeah, long trip it is, and so many different weathers.
Yeah, I know, that was the hardest part of packing.
Yeah.
I mean, we actually had to plan for being on the beach in the Caribbean,
Yeah.
cold weather going down the coast.
Uh-huh. How much is the average house? How much is the average hire? Here's some.
I don't expect so anytime soon.
Yeah, well, stay where you like, so.
Yeah, you know, military transfer, you mentioned it.
Yeah. You never know. I mean, and because some people ask, well, why are they moving so soon? It's like, well, they didn't really have a choice.
So that's a Moen. That's the same logo, I think. Okay. Our kitchen sink faucet just started.
Oh. Well, if you go to Costco, they got a good deal on faucets.
Right now, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to try to get a rebuild kit.
Oh.
Because I pretty much know where it's leaking.
Yeah. Well,
Otherwise,
if you're handy with that kind of thing, yeah.
Otherwise, you replace the faucet.
Yep. Here.
There's the thermostat.
Yeah.
If you cool off the living room, it turns on the heat. Living room stays cool because you've got the door open. Upstairs it's hot.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you have AC in your house too?
We're thinking about getting it. We have it. I'll say pre-installed.
Oh, okay. Yeah, they have AC in this house.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, we have a very nice fireplace over here. And this is gas?
Yeah, so you just flip this switch right here.
Oh. Yeah.
So it's off.
It's off.
And then if you want to turn the fireplace on, you just click the button and boom.
And wow, amazing.
Yeah. And you know who likes to do that?
It's none. So guys, hope you enjoyed that video. That house we did the tour, 5-bedroom house. So remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and click that bell so that anytime we upload a new content, you'll be notified. I'm namna gani. See you.